Marriage is a journey together, with happiness as a target, sometimes accompanied by challenges. Marriage therapy can help couples strengthen emotional intimacy, resolve conflict, and build long term satisfactions. Professionals support couples to understand emotional needs, communicate effectively, handle recurring issues constructively, foster shared goals and trust at Clinic Mind Body Soul. Sessions are available online, in clinic, or via home visits for busy couples. Many couples use therapy proactively to maintain connections, deepen understanding, and ensure a healthy, lasting relationships. Regular guidance help marriage grow over time. Healthy marriage grow with attention and care. Book a marriage therapy session today and invest in relationships, health, and happiness.